So I want to show you a little bit about our contemporary vignette here in our showroom. This is really a great idea. We have 3 different upper cabinets that show you 3 different options on lift ups that are available to you. These 2 are both cap-ons, but do it in completely different manners because it depends on what your height of the kitchen is, what your needs and requirements are as well, depending on what you're going to want to do with these. Very easy to put back down with just a touch of a button. In addition to this, we have this great corner unit. A lot of people use blind corners for lazy Susans that spin around, things fall off the back. This is actually a great change to that because it's pie-shaped and allows you to put everything in there and nothing falls off the back. This vignette also showcases this great pantry that we also have. We put diamond gloss on this. It was actually real wood, then we added the gloss on top of it. Great storage as well for this item that just pulls all the way out. We took the same idea and put it into a custom built wine area to tie the whole entire place in.